It's a short concept commonly examined in both levels of the KASNEB exam, that's a CPA, intermediate, and the advanced level. For those who specialize in advanced auditing and assurance, it's a concept you'll have to know. So I want to cover the concept known as low balling. So what is this low balling? Low balling is a practice by some audit firms of charging an audit fee which is below the prevailing market rates. I've said this is a practice by some audit firms of charging a fee which is below the prevailing market rate. So that is what we call lowballing. Practice, I just summarize, by some audit firms of charging a fee which is below prevailing market rates. So this practice is common in small audit firms. So it's a point you can also note it down. It's common in small audit firms or newly established firms. For what reason? In order to enable them do what? Attract more clients. In order to enable them attract more clients. So remember, most of the customers or clients, they may wish to be charged low fee. So if you are a new firm which is not known in the industry and you want to enter the market, some of these firms, they end up undercutting others or charging a fee which is below their market rate so that they can attract those clients or they can attract more clients. So this practice is unethical in this profession. So lowballing is unethical. So lowballing is unethical. It's an ethical practice. So that is basically what is lowballing. Many people, they get a problem in this, but I've tried to simplify it. You get a newly established firm, it needs more clients, they can undercharge the clients to attract them. You realize this is a company or a firm which is of small firm. It needs to attract more clients. They end up undercharging or undercutting other firms or charging a fee which is below the prevailing market rates, and that practice is what we call lowballing. So what are the consequences of lowballing? So allow me to just give the consequences of lowballing. So consequences of lowballing. One, impairs or compromises auditors' independence. So that is one of the consequences of lowballing. So if you undercharge or you charge a fee which is below the market rates, then in most cases, because you'll have to negotiate on this audit fee, you'll have to go to talk to the client and negotiate. Your independence as a firm is, or as an auditor, is impaired or compromised. Again, some Audit firms may undercharge such a fee, or they may charge a fee below the market rate. Then the client may even be questioning your ability to practice or to do the work. So makes auditor's ability to practice questionable. Makes auditor's ability to practice questionable. Because some people say, this amount you have charged, really, do you know what you are doing? Do you know what is really auditing? That you are charging maybe 50,000 shillings. So, because of charging low fee, your client may start questioning whether you know whatever an audit is. Again, when one firm charges a fee which is below the prevailing market rates, then another firm is just adhering to the practice and the rules of the market, charging a fee as per the market rate and offering the two firms offering the same services. It will be difficult for this firm which is sticking to the market rates to convince its clients about the prevailing market rates, because the clients will sometimes ask, you're talking of the market rates, and at the same time, another auditor XYZ is charging a lower fee than the one you are charging. So make me understand as a client how this is happening. So it will make it difficult for other audit firms to convince their clients about the prevailing market rates. So that's another consequence. Makes it difficult for other audit firms to convince their clients about the market rates. Another one, compromises or violates rules of the market. Violates rules of the market. So those are the consequences of lowballing. A common question in advanced level, for those who are specializing in advanced auditing and assurance. A common question in intermediate level of CPA, that is in auditing and assurance paper, which is a common paper. So please ensure you have understood the concept. You can repeat the video once and again to just listen to it and get to understand what is lowballing. It is related to audit fee. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and continue watching more videos as they get uploaded. Thank you.